Welcome to my viewpoint, Apurham. As we all know that we are in the midst of crisis, pandemic crisis across the world. An entire world is fighting with an enemy who is common to everyone but invisible in nature. India as a country is also fighting with that coronavirus. Numbers are increasing, deaths are increasing. We have a lot of challenges. Coronavirus has thrown a lot of challenges at us, and we have to deal with it. We are trying to do many things. One of the things is like entire country is under lockdown from past 1 month. Situations have come that voluntary people have come out to help the people, rather weaker section of the society. They have started going and distributing food to them. Commendable job. They are doing truly great job. But I still have a message for them. When you are doing this, please make sure that social distancing is maintained and see to that you should not get affected. We have seen situations where now the doctors been affected, even the journalists in Mumbai, 50 journalists in Mumbai got affected, and the police personnel also got affected, and the people who delivered certain things also got affected. When there is a good, there has to be a bad. And the bad is one particular section of this society who believes that they have the power today. And the power is of having an exposure to the social network, be it Twitter, be it YouTube, be it anything. And they have a power to sit at home, relaxed in the AC room, and start writing poisonous, venomous comments about the society, trying to communalize virus. Wherein our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, he himself said, virus does not have any religion, virus does not have any caste. Yet this section does not understand that. Now what you are really doing, are you doing a favor to the society? Are you doing harm to the society? This is a question you need to ask yourself. Will tomorrow be recognized, will tomorrow your act of stupidity will be recognized as an act against or as a fight against coronavirus? Will you not be ashamed tomorrow when entire country, entire world will be jubilant and celebrating victory over coronavirus, and the same group, your group, would be in the one corner and feeling ashamed of what they try to do? Still, we have a time to fight against coronavirus. I would rather say, be a responsible citizen of this country. Initiate a process. Start spreading harmony in the society, unity in the society, so that it goes to everyone. You people are influencer. You influence a large sect of country. You should understand that your one word in a right direction will give courage to people, even the weaker section of the society, to fight against the coronavirus. You can become a role model. The choice is yours. Whether you want to be a role model or you want to be a devil. Choice is yours. You choose. Why I said you choose? Because as I said, where there is a good, there is a bad, and where there is a bad, there is a good. When you try to be a bad face of society, then certainly there are people who try to be a good face of society. They have volunteered himself to help the weaker section of this country. They go door to door and supply material to the people free of cost, without any interest. They don't have any self-interest in it. They have only one goal: to fight against the coronavirus. Similarly, our government is also determined to fight against coronavirus. Remember when this lockdown was thrust upon us a month back, government has announced stimulus package of $23 billion for the weaker section of the society, which was supposed to cater 800 billion people of this country, which was a direct transfer to their account, one time payment to their account. Not only that, 5 kilos of wheat or rice or 1 kilogram of pulses and many other things. So they have been doing what government can possibly do that, and this they said they will be giving for 3 months, and post 3 months they will take a call whether to increase it for another 3 months. It depends on the fight what we are going through and how soon we are able to win the fight. It all depends. But the question is this the only challenge we are coming across? There would be one more challenge, which would be how to bring back economy. That is a major challenge. A lot of sectors will actually face the heat. But however, I don't want that discussion to be debated today. That I'll take it up in some other video. I'll certainly bring that for you people to see that what all challenges will actually face the heat. Nonetheless, whatever the government is trying to do for a weaker section, is that enough? Has really government done what was being promised to them? When I said it is a direct account transfer, there are millions of people who doesn't have the account. What will happen to them? Who will take care of them? Many things are happening. A lot of people are raising questions about funding. A lot of people are funding towards PM Care when we have National Disaster Management, Pradhan Mantri PM Relief Fund account also. A lot of questions being raised. I tell you, after coronavirus, we have a lot of time to discuss that. Was it good or was it bad? Political interest, whoever has a political interest will always find a fault in it. They say this PM Care Fund will be used against the elections in coming days once we overcome coronavirus. Nonetheless, we have a long way to go. We are fighting, and we are fighting for a cause. So my only thing is, I say to everyone, please be united and fight for a cause to a common enemy, invisible in nature. So when we talk about our weaker section, and government has done so many things for them, but I just came across few things what America has really done for the people of their country. On 27th March, they had given a stimulus package of $2 trillion for the entire country. And initially it was a direct transfer to their account, which was given to entire country, direct transfer to their account. And after that, it was been said to that if the people do not have the account, then what will happen? Then it was been said that they will use the certain wallets like PayPal, Venmo, Zella. These were the wallets, phone wallets they wanted to use and make sure that direct transfer will happen to the people of their country. In fact, Chetan Bhagat had tweeted stating that America has announced a stimulus package for a people of America where they give the direct payments, as I told, would be $1,200 for a single person and $2,400 for a couple. And if they have one child, then they will get $500 additional, which was approximately 1,50,000 as a direct payment, one-time payment. And that one-time payment, they had many things which they had come up with. Like they had taken care of unemployment people. They had given $250 billion for them, and see to that they get $600 per week for 4 months. Similarly, they wanted to give pay rate taxes where employer can defer the tax payment for 2021 to 2022, and they allowed use of retirement funds, which they had a penalty waiver of 10%, which they waived off. Similarly, 401k loan account, they increased the limit from $50,000 to $1 lakh. More importantly, they funded state government as well as the local government, which is $150 billion. Agriculture, they funded $30 to $50 billion. And the COVID tests, they made it as no cost, free of cost. And it was a one-time stimulus being announced to American people. However, they are legislators of America. They are proposing one more bill. That bill says monthly stimulus of 2,000 rupees and a rent and mortgage for 1 year. They would like to forego rent and mortgage for 1 year. The bill is being proposed so far, which has the same similar pattern, which says that a person who is earning 1,30,000 per annum and is a single will get $2,000 per month for coming 12 months. And if it is a couple, and if they are earning $2,60,000 per annum, they will get $4,000 per month. In addition to that, if they have one child, they will get $500 per month, up to 3 childs. So that means 500 for 12 months. This was with respect to the society. This was with respect to the people who are working and who've been paying the taxes. However, this time it has been announced, or it has been proposed, that it would be for the people who are not even paying the taxes and who doesn't have the account as well, and they will make sure that these direct payments will go to them, as I told, either the direct into accounts or as to phone wallets. Now, when it comes to the people who are staying at the rent, they have announced to the landlords saying that you have to forgo 1 year rental, which government will take care of that. And with this, there will not be any impact on their credit history. It would be optional. If suppose they want to pay, they can pay, but the landlord cannot ask for. So this is what government has proposed to do for their people. And I am sure India as such is also on the same lines. However, we have challenges, as we all know, and we know that I am sure we will come across one day and we will win this. Thank you. Anything, if you have to write, feel free to write. Have a wonderful day. Stay home, stay safe.